Metal lathes and precision mini lathes occupy a critical space for hobbyists, model makers, and small workshop operators who need turning, threading, and drilling capabilities without a full-sized industrial machine. The category spans from entry-level, budget-friendly units to all-metal, feature-rich microlathes that challenge expectations on rigidity, tolerance, and versatility. In this review, I test and compare 5 models.
List number 1. Mini Metal Lathe 7 by 8 inches. The Xquang Precision DYO78 model is a compact benchtop lathe designed for turning, drilling, and threading with a sturdy iron bed and MT3 spindle taper. It lists a 400-watt copper motor and a variable spindle speed in the 50 to 2500 RPM range, with MT2 tailstock taper and an automatic power-off cover. The package mentions an ultra-precise 3-jaw chuck and 3 external jaws, plus compatibility with materials from titanium to aluminum and even some wood. This combination signals a machine aimed at small to medium precision tasks with a focus on rigidity for a benchtop footprint, though the stated 400-watt motor and copper construction suggest strong torque for its class. Performance-wise, the DYO78's MT3 spindle and 50 to 2500 RPM range should handle fine threading and light turning effectively on soft steels and aluminum, provided the operator maintains proper work holding and uses appropriate cutting tools. The inclusion of a high-precision 3-jaw chuck and external jaws is a clear plus for repeatable work, while the automatic power-off feature enhances safety during unattended operation. Yet the headline $1,259.00 USD price in the spec list appears inconsistent with the provided figure.
List number 2. All-metal miniature lathe, 36W, 20,000 RPM didactical. The ZHRUI ZRCCU0136 is an all-metal miniature lathe with a claimed 36-watt motor and a remarkable 20,000 RPM top speed, designed for hobbyists working with soft metals, plastics, wood, and acrylic. It emphasizes a metal-structured build, dual-axis hand wheels, and a broad center distance, 150 millimeters and 25 millimeters center height. The design highlights include a fully metal chassis, a dovetail connection block, and a focus on precision features like a 0.02 millimeter scale on the hand wheels. The device targets compact projects with quick spin-up and fine control, making it appealing for observation tasks and for small, delicate parts. In use, this unit excels at quick material removal on soft metals and plastics, with the caveat that at 20,000 RPM, tool control and work holding become critical. The 150mm bed travel and 30mm max material diameter provide enough room for tiny projects, though rigidity and runout will depend on how well the base is mounted and how securely the chuck is gripped. As a didactical unit, it's well suited for teaching concepts of turning and threading, and for hobbyists who value visibility into motion.
List number 3. 12-volt DC, 60 watts, 12,000 RPM high-power micro lathe machine. The YWBLWH micro lathe is a compact 12-volt DC-powered unit offering up to 12,000 RPM with emphasis on high-speed capability and a drill chuck inclusion. It targets small-scale projects across wood, plastic, and soft metals, with a compact footprint suitable for desktop setups. The description emphasizes motor efficiency and a connected motor box/headstock structure, suggesting streamlined assembly and ease of use for hobbyists needing rapid spin-up and finish tasks on tiny parts. Performance-wise, the 12,000 RPM capability should deliver fast material removal on soft materials, with a practical turning speed reduction to around 2,000 RPM when under load, per the listing. The integrated drill chuck expands versatility for drilling and light milling tasks. Given the limited power and mass of microlathes, expect modest rigidity and potential chatter on denser metals like steel. Use cases lean toward jewelry, model making, and small repairs rather than heavy-duty turning.
List number 4. Emery cloth roll.
LYFJJX offers a value-oriented accessory pack rather than the lathe itself, but it's included here due to relevance for finishing and machining workflows. The set includes 4 rolls of emery cloth with grits ranging from 150 to 400, each 6 meters long, packaged with a dispenser and a backing of nylon fabric. The assortment is pitched for metal, wood, and plastics finishing, suitable for deburring, surface prep, and fine polishing on small parts produced with the lathe. In practice, these rolls are a practical companion for shaping and finishing small workpieces, particularly when preparing a turned surface for threading or polishing a hobby-grade part. The assortment supports quick grit changes, and the reusable dispenser adds convenience for a busy workshop. However, this item does not contribute to turning capability directly, and it should be evaluated as a consumable add-on rather than a primary purchase for a lathe buyer.
List number 5. ZHRUI Electroplated All-Metal Mini-Miniature Didactical Metal. The ZHR Electroplated All-Metal Mini Lathe emphasizes a 50mm maximum diameter and a 36W motor with 20,000 RPM top speed, designed for flexible processing of aluminum, wood, and plastic. It shares many design cues with the 3D compact mini lathe class, including a full metal build, high-speed spindle, and a focus on accuracy with dovetail slots and square nut-fixed connections for stability. The heightened style designation suggests a slightly taller enclosure or aesthetic variation. The toolset includes chuck and collets with a 1 to 6 mm range, matching the typical mini lathe accessory kit. In terms of performance, this model is well suited for light, fast-turn operations on soft metals and plastics, with the ability to clamp up to 50mm diameter parts via the 3-jaw chuck or collets. The all-metal construction and robust housing should yield better rigidity than basic plastic-bodied microlathes, though the 36W motor indicates modest torque for tougher materials. The 0.02mm scale on handwheels, as with some ZR or ZHRUI designs, contributes to accurate, repeatable adjustments for small diameter work.